Scores after stage 4, and McRae taking first place by 10 seconds from his alter ego Peter Solberg. Third, Mäkinen, and finally into the frame, Carlos Sainz. Sixth, a lackluster Burns. With the French team gone, the fans put on a brave face. But the real bravery was in the cars. Stage 5 was Coq Castellane, 20 kilometres long and almost clean tarmac. The cars were now on slick tyres. Burns dropped time on the stage, but the problems elsewhere meant he was still fourth overall. Sainz was just 6 seconds off winning the stage. Second was enough to lift him to third overall. Amazing for a driver who was out of the top 15 after stage 1. Sparks flew as the Ford bottomed out on the tarmac. The car was set up like a Formula 1 machine more than a rally car. There were fireworks too for Tommy Mäkinen. He beat Sainz on stage 5 and had clawed his way up the field and was now just 13 seconds behind Colin McRae. For the second stage in a row, François Delacour was slipping backwards. Again, a puncture was to blame. In as many stages, he'd lost 2 places. But stage 5 claimed the hard-charging Solberg.
40. John 3 left, 50. Flat, John 4 left, in the flat.
Colin McRae started Klumank looking invincible, but last year a podium place looked his right until the final stage. Sainz, though, was fastest over the 14 kilometres. McRae took no risks. He was fourth fastest, relying almost instinctively to weave his way through the S-bends.
And 6 right, 120. 4 right plus, don't cut. Into block 4 left. And 6 left and 5 right plus. And left over crest and 4 right minus narrows.
Brake discs glowing. Mäkinen looked as if he might be able to pass McRae for the lead, but the Finn lost 17 seconds in the dark. Tyres were the problem. His teammate Freddie Loix didn't fare much better.
Colin, 30 seconds ahead of your nearest rival on day 1. You must be quite pleased.
Yeah, no, it's going very well. Just the approach was just to be very careful and keep out of trouble, and it's worked. And the position's good.
We started terrible, very bad. We have not very good feeling at the beginning, wrong tires, driving too slow to try to save the tires, but later on it went better, and well, we are here. We will see tomorrow what can we do.
It was a good day except last stage. I don't know. We lost 20 seconds on one stage, short stage.
Up to fourth place at the end of the day, Richard Burns headed back to Monte Carlo, but on the way he hit trouble.
The car dropped into 3 cylinders and lost power. So after studying the data, the engineers decided that basically it wasn't going to get out of Monaco in the morning, so the best thing to do is just save the engine. They can inspect it, see what's happened, and try and find the problem.
With Burns out, Schwartz moves into fourth behind McRae, Mäkinen and Carlos Sainz. All 3 Fords are in the top 6, with Delacour fifth. Freddie Loix is sixth.